It was 5 years ago when I created a video that said when you block a LinkedIn member, the messages stay, and then instead of getting the person's name in your message box, it'll say LinkedIn member, but all the messaging stays. There's rumors out there that that's changed, so I'm going to test that right now. So I got this message from this guy, and I'm going to block him. So I'm going to bring up his profile. I'm going to open it up in a new tab so this message stays right here. I'm going to go look at that tab. I'm not going to show you who he is. You don't need to know all that. I'm going to go down here to more, and I'm going to block this member. I'm simply going to block this member. It's all I'm going to do, hit block. The blocked member won't receive any notifications of this action. So I've now blocked that person, and their profile went away and went back to the home page because I blocked him. Now let's go look at the messaging. I'm going to hit refresh on the messaging. And look here. It's still here. This message from, remember what I told you, December 1st, 2022, it's still there. And it says LinkedIn member. All of the messaging is still here. Now, by the way, because I blocked the person, the message may contain unwanted or harmful content. I can click on view message anyway, and I can bring up that message. 5 years ago, I said when you block a LinkedIn member, the messaging stays, and the message changed from, instead of an individual, it says LinkedIn member, but all the messaging is there. It's 2026, July 15th. That still holds true today. Now let's go see what happens when I unblock this person. Visibility, blocked members. Now I've got to go find this person's name. Hang on a second while I do that. Here he is here. I'm going to unblock him. I need to put in my password. Unblock. Now the person's unblocked. Let's go see what happened now. I'll go to messaging. I'm going to scroll down and find that person. I found that person. And remember, it started December 1st, 2022. He's back and he's no longer blocked. And I can still see all of the conversation. 5 years ago, I did this video and exactly the same thing happened today, July 15th. 2026. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about LinkedIn, helping you get the most out of it, and I hope this is helpful for you.